Hey guys, today we have a Black Flag bug zapper purchased from Lowe's. Some people say that you cannot disassemble this product to check the capacitor or see if there's other problems. But I will prove you that this thing will come apart and go back together. First you're going to do is turn this unit over and remove the bulb. It's real easy. You pull out on it, and when you want to replace it, you just slide it in there and it locks in place. It's real simple. The second thing is you got to take these screws out here. You have a screw here and a screw over here. I don't know if you can see in there, but there's a screw there. The problem with this unit was that the connection from the capacitor down to the grid, the screen, was loose. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, always. This unit here slides off. Be careful, don't lose your screws. You're going to need them when we reassemble this unit. Okay. Now, some people take a screwdriver and pry out on this unit because there are screws underneath this screen. What you need to do is twist this. It comes apart a little bit. It's got snaps in it. You might need to use two hands. Hold on a second. You have to twist this. There you go. There's your grid. Pretty damn simple. Now they have screws in here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks like. I've already took it apart. And the problem with this in here was, and in here is a wire that comes up from the capacitor to the inside. And there's a wire that comes up through to the outside grid, and the one on the inside was loose, wasn't making contact. Pretty cool, isn't it? So we're going to reassemble this unit the same way we put it together, took it apart. And then first thing you're going to do is make sure your grid is all together. When you got these locks in here, these here sit into, there's only one way they go together. See that little clip there? There's only one way for these to go. Okay, I tightened twisted the cage clockwise, and it locked in the grooves that I showed you. Then I replaced the 2 screws back in the bottom on the other side, and the bulb goes in this way. It goes straight down and it locks down. You hear it click. There you have it. You have successfully took apart a black flag bug zapper. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.